Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to display Opencv frame on Tkinter GUI using Python language. First of all, we need to import some libraries like Tkinter and CV2 and PIL. From PIL we need to import image and image TK. Next we need to initialize the Tkinter. We write window equals to tk. After that we need to put the size of the frame, Tkinter frame. So window.geometry and let's put it 600 by 600, the width and the height of the frame. Next we will make a label to display the image or the video. So we will put this label on the window, and first we will put some text to just display this label. Okay, hi everyone. We need this win.main loop to loop the frame. This Tkinter is to make a desktop applications using Python. It's a very powerful GUI for Python. Here we need to place the label on the frame. So you put x equals to 10 and y equals to 10. So you see now the text on the frame. I will delete the place now because I will use it on this function. I will name it to PIL. It's to display the Opencv image on the frame, on the label. So you put image, label, x and y, and the width and the height. So after that we need to resize the Opencv image to fit with the label. Resize image and the width with the height. In this case it's W and H. And then we need to flip the image. We'll put image, and number 1 is to flip it from the right to the left. Now we will convert the image to be compatible with TK. Now we will read it from array. Okay. Then we will say picture equals to image TK. Dot photo image, and then we will put image on the photo image. Then we will configure the label. We will put the picture on the label, so we'll say label equals to, this label is on the function. Okay, because in this case we can put many labels using this function, and of course with changing the place of every label. The configure is image equals to pic. Then we will say label.image equals to picture or pic. After that we will put the label, we'll place it on the frame, on the Tkinter frame. We'll say x equals to x on the function, and y equals to y on the function. This x and y, we will give them some values when we will use this 2PIL function. Now we're done with the 2PIL function. The next step, we will read the image using Opencv. So we'll say image, or you can name it as you want, image, picture, anything. So we will say img equals to cv2 dot im read. Then we will read the picture. I have picture here, it's d3.jpg. Then I need to display this image on the Tkinter GUI. But before that, I need to convert this image from BGR to RGB to get the original color of the image. So I will convert the image from BGR to RGB using CVT color I am using Visual Studio Code IDE. RGB to BGR to RGB. Okay. Now I will use this toPIL function to display the RGB image. First we need RGB. Next we need the label. In my case it's label 1. Then we need the X coordinate, let's make it 10. Y coordinate, let's make it 10 also. Then the width and the height, let's make it 200 by 200. Let's run the program. Let's close this first. And this is the image on the GUI. 10 coordinate, y equals to 10 and x equals to 10. And the width and the height is 200 by 200. Okay. Let's put some like colored image. I need to show you something. Let's close this. We'll change it to shape. My image, its name is shape, but yours it can be any image with any name. So here you see the colored image. You see this color because we converted this image from BGR to RGB. If we display the image, the original image, it will not be like this. It will be with BGR format. Let's try to display the image. Let's close this first. Run. You see, this is the RGB form, the RGB, the BGR, the BGR format. We'll put it as RGB format, and boom. Let's change the size, 400 by 400. Yeah, it's bigger now. Now let's move it from the X axis, 50, and 10 from Y axis. Now let's display the video frame. First we need to read from the camera, cv2.video capture. In my case it's 0. So I need a function to run the video. I'll say image equals to cv2 to cab, cab dot read we have an error here. Yeah, it's here. It will show nothing because I didn't run the display function. But in fact we need to make a label dot after to display the frame like every 20 milliseconds. Using this class after, then we will put 20 milliseconds and display. If we run it now, like sometimes it will give you a snap, like one picture, okay, from the video, not the actual video, and sometimes it will give you an error. Actually, in my case, it's an error. So this, like after class, is very necessary for running the video. Let's run it. And now you see the video. It's real-time video. Let's change the x-axis and the width size. Let's make it 500 by 400. Yeah. Yeah, now the frame is big. Now you can put buttons, track bars, anything you want. And that's it for today. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any question, you can leave a comment, and see you next time.